going on, guys? Jesse back with another AI slash ChatGPT AI feature and another website to feature on my channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at UnPrompt.ai. UnPrompt.ai is a website where it gives you example images and it actually gives you the prompts that generated those images. This is going to be such a powerful tool for people who don't necessarily can put a good prompt together for like Mid-Journey or Stable Diffusion or anything like that. So with UnPrompt.ai, they basically give you the feature where you can find or search by keyword or upload an image and find a prompt that closely relates to what you're trying to do or create. So for example, for this one, let's just type in, let's do a fancy, a fancy car. And here we go. There's a couple of different prompts here with some, obviously some awesome examples. If you're looking for more realism, Ferrari. So like here's like a Lamborghini. So this is done with Stable Diffusion. It actually gives you the prompt here. Gives you the whole prompt here that you can just copy. Copy it here. Gives you the what app they used, what the image size was, and some of the metadata and the filters here. So you can see how cool that is. Let me find one that's on Mid-Journey. So like this one was on Mid-Journey. This is a Ferrari. It's Lisa Frank style. So here you go. Copy it in and have what you will with it. Kind of, so the AR was turned up a little bit. The V was turned up a little bit. So it kind of tells you too, like the parameters to put in there as well. So, I mean, how awesome is this, guys? Or how awesome, or how much time is this going to save you for generating new AI stuff? Let me look at this. This is another Mid-Journey one. Car already fantastic. And it just comes up with some stuff. So this one is a Bugatti Veyron, and it gives you all the metadata here. You can copy and paste it. Drawing style 8 HD, and you can see that how it came out. Yeah, I mean, you can do anything, guys. So like a person wearing a headphone. Example. See what it comes back with. So some cool examples here. This one looks really real. Stable diffusion there. There's a couple, I guess filters are coming soon for this. There's a Discord for it right here. So like this one, show more. Copy and paste that prompt into some of the filters to put in there as well. And running. I mean, how awesome is this? This is going to make things so much easier. So, I mean, how awesome is this? This photo is pretty cool. I mean, it almost looks real. So you can see the prompt there. And it almost hits it out of the park. And then some of the parameters here. A lot of this stuff is just telling you what's image size and some of the parameters of the thing, of the picture itself. You can share this. You can copy this URL, copy the prompt, put it in Mid-Journey, and do your thing with it. So yeah, I'm excited for this one because it's going to save me a lot of time of copy and pasting in my own prompts and having to build them from scratch. So guys, if you like these AI videos, please thumb up the channel. I'm trying to give you more AI tools on a daily or weekly basis. So subscribe to the channel and we'll get you guys going on AI. Thanks.